I'm about to talk about the 3 top coins that are about to pre-sale, guys. These projects are untouchable, all right? They're the next to pre-sale, and then the next to make sure your profit is going up every single part of this next bull run. Your portfolio needs to grow, and these are the 3 that's going to make it happen, in my opinion. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, this is for educational purposes only. Let me show you. All right, guys, here we go. Pepe Unchained. All right, this is unbelievable layer 2 project. All right, about this, the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain, you built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. Now, Pepe token powers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness a new golden age of meme coins with Pepe in his rightful place as king, and the Pepe Unchained layer 2 his kingdom. Now, earn insane rewards. Staking your Pepe tokens lets you fill your bag with passive, massive rewards. He's devised a giga brain plan. Okay, you can see here in one day, guys, this is about to pre-sale. You need to make sure that you are on time for this. Got ETH USDT or card that you can buy with. In one day, in 5 hours, guys, the price is going to increase on the pre-sale, so you are running out of time. You need to be quick if you want to get it at this discounted price. All right, it is featured on bitcoin.com, CoinMarketCap, Tuckpedia, Binance Square, Redware, Crypto Potato, and much more. Do your research into this, guys. Number 2 on that list is cryptoallstars.io, and in 2 days time their price will be increasing as well, guys. All right, 617% staking rewards. What is this? It's the first ever meme vault, so you can buy and stake stars in pre-sale to earn max rewards. Now, every top meme coin under one roof's got revolutionary meme vault protocol, insane rewards for stars holders, battle-tested technology, guys. All right, they've got their audits from 2 different sources. Okay, the ecosystem is powered by stars, and it is a novel innovation that will change the way worlds interact with meme coins on the blockchain. What is this? The first ever unified staking system, secure and transparent, massive rewards, and meme market exposure. And guys, you can buy and stake this as soon as this pre-sale is finished. But if you don't get it this price right now at 0.0015067, you will miss out, and it will instantly be more expensive. So get this discounted price before the next 2 days are up. Now, third but not least, guys, all right, this is Rex's Finance, the tokenizing real-world asset program. All right, this is your gateway to the future of asset management. Rex's Finance empowers you to own your tokenization, own or tokenize virtually any real-world asset, from real estate and art to commodities and intellectual property, on a global scale. With Rex's Finance, you gain access to a world where asset, liquidity, and investment opportunities are actually boundless, embracing the power of blockchain technology to make investing more inclusive, transparent, and efficient. Guys, their white paper note is right there, so do your own research. But what are we at? We're at stage 4. It's about to go down. 1RXS is at 0.060. You're literally going to get a guaranteed raise in the next stage at 0.070. So every token you buy will instantly be worth more if you get it before this is. Okay, there's over $3 million raised, guys. That is unbelievable. All right, you can get this with ETH USDT or card. It's 74% complete, guys. Do not miss out on this. All right, type it in, connect your wallet, and get in. A bit deeper into Rex's, okay? It's got a diverse asset range, a fractional ownership, democratizing investments, accessible real estate investments, diverse opportunities, and global marketing access. Okay, the ecosystem is really, really cool, guys. They got their token builder, the launchpad, the Rex's Gen I, Rex's Treasury Estate, and the DeFi. The tokenomics you can dive into yourself, but that is the 3 that I think are going to change the game this year. So if you want to get involved with any of them, guys, make sure you hit the link down below, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. Pre-sales are where you get life-changing portfolios. So get involved today.